Hey guys, make sure to make this into 10 million subscribers, because if you read this, I'm gonna comment down below which one should I make, like these houses, and there's some in the back. And should we start with part 1 or part 2? Let's start from part 1. Look, comment down below which one should I build. In 3, 2, 1, 0. I think one of you guys picked this house, right? So let's build that. And also, if you have these, it says step by step. Okay. Let's start with step 1. And these squares, there's 24, okay? Okay. Okay, let's start. There's a window right there. Another window right there. Oh, where did I put the door? Doing just 2. Okay. Now we put these little ones. You see? See these little ones? Start with the color that you want. Like that. And like that. And then push them like this. See? Now let's start with the other one. Okay, now we can put this door. Okay. Okay, let's put that. Let's put that. And then... Okay, now we need to put these big ones. And this is 4. You see these little triangle ones? Those are 8. Say, do the same thing. First, let's take out this one. See, take out that one, and we're going to put it back. Then we'll put that one, and then let's put that back. Okay. And then we have another one. We're going to use... Each one has ladders, because I didn't put no floors. There is floors, but you climb it with a ladder or stairs. If you're tired, just climb with like a ladder. No. Stairs, I think, if you're tired. Oh my gosh, this got stuck. Bad idea. Don't do what I was doing, okay? Now we can put this back. Okay. Back where we were. Another window there. Then we put that one. And then if you want to... No, why did I put a door again? And we put that. We're almost done, guys. Look. And then we put these little ones. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, where are they? Oh, they're over here. At the bottom. That's a bad idea. Don't do that, okay? Don't do what that I just did. take out the roof. We're done. Now we have 2 more to make. Shall we destroy it now? If you want, you can take the picture of this. Maybe later. Okay, now you can take a picture. This a little broken. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's destroy it now. Yeah, those sounds when you guys destroy it, it sounds satisfying. Let's get them. Let's get them all. Oh my gosh, it's getting so heavy. Okay, where's the map? Okay. Let's go on the other side. Okay, that one is good. Okay. Let's get that. Look. Now we're making this one. You see? Look. See this one? This one. See the number 2? Look. Is it upside down for you guys? Look. This one. Wait. You already guys saw it. The middle one all the way to the down one. So we're gonna make that one. Okay. I never made this one. So first we're gonna make this. Done. Done. This one is actually the easiest one. I think so. Okay, guys, we need a triangle so it can hold it. Oh my gosh. And we need another one. I think this is easy. The other ones. This one is the easiest one, at least. Okay, you see this? We need a little bit more. Okay, now we make a triangle like this. Hey. No. See this? See this triangle? Put it on top. Voila! We made the big... Wait, what? So that's what it was. See this number 2? See this number 2? This one? See this one? It was actually this one. You start from here, I think. Then you go from here. Then you go from here. I didn't even know that. Okay, we have one more. Take a picture. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Again, the last comment down below. Which one should we make? Should we make this one, or this one? rock, paper, no, bubble gum in a dish. What? Sky blue in a sky. Wait, no, Batman, fly away. Never come back to the USA. So you guys, we should make this one, the biggest house. Wait, I think this one is bigger than this one. No. According to my calculations, this one is bigger than this one, actually. Let's actually make the rocket ship. Okay. That looks so easy. Of course we need a door, guys, right? Guys, windows. Okay, let's put that there. We can actually make this fast. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is actually fast. It's fast. Okay, now we need some of those. Yeah, over here. Yeah. Okay, let's put that there. Let's put that there. Oh shoot. Why is it like that, Matt? Oh my gosh. Like that. You think we're done? No, we're not. Where are the boosts? You might ask. You might ask. Blah. Yeah, this is what it looks like. But I just broke it. Blah. Did he just magnet and broke it by himself? Are you kidding me right now? We can fix this. It looks easy to fix back. It looks hard to fix, but no, it's not. What do you mean? It's not hard. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? The heck? Oh yeah, what? That is strange. Okay. Take a picture in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Now, destroy it. Destroy it, or should we not destroy it? Wait, no. Okay, we got one little one left. Okay. What? I forgot there's some in the box. Okay. Okay. That's what we just made. Let's make it in part 2. 3, 2, 1. Peace. Bye.